This week in particular, we're learning about stars and about nebulas. A nebula is a cloud of dust and gas. Now, they can come in all different shapes, just like the clouds that we see in the sky. They can also come in really beautiful, vibrant colors. Let me show you a few right now. These are just a few of the nebulas that exist in space. What are some of the colors that you see?
I see blue, white, red, yellow, brown, blue, and pink.
They're beautiful, right? Here are a few more. Some of them even have names. This is the Crab Nebula, and this one looks like a butterfly. It's called a Butterfly Nebula. So they're all different and they're all so beautiful. Okay, today we are going to be making our very own nebula window clings. Let's go over some of the supplies that you will need to create your own window cling. To create your nebulas, you will need food coloring. We have two different kinds. We have the kinds that you drop, the liquid kind, and we also have some gel kind. We're going to experiment with them and see how it turns out. You're also going to need toothpicks. If you don't have toothpicks at home, that's okay. You can also use small sticks that you find outside. You're going to need Elmer's glue, and then different sizes and shapes of plastic containers. We have some like this that are a rectangle shape and a round shape, and then also some that are plastic little lids like this. They work well too. So whatever lids you have at home, those are perfect. Now let's go over the steps for this experiment. Okay, the first thing that you're going to do is squeeze your Elmer's glue into your plastic container or lid. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Why don't you guys come on over so you can get a closer look? So as you can see, we're just kind of swirling that glue around. Any design is fine. It doesn't have to be perfect by any means. We just want to get our glue on there. Looks good. Well, I'm ready, Charlie. Are you?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to put our glue aside. We might need it again in a little bit. We'll see. Okay, now that we've added glue to our containers, what we want to do is pick our colors. Okay? So we've got some pink and a little green and some purple.
I want to pick blue.
Would you like the blues?
Uh-huh.
There you go. We're going to add a little color.
And this one don't work.
Oh, here, try this one. There you go. Just a few drops. Good job. It can get a little messy. That's okay. Charlie's adding some purple. I think I might do a little purple too. We'll try out the gel and see how the gel looks. Maybe some pink. Would you like some pink too?
I don't know how to do the pink.
I know, the pink is running a little low. Boop, there you go.
Now,
Perfect. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our toothpicks and carefully swirl the colors. Doesn't that look cool, guys?
look.
Wow, look at that.
That actually kind of reminds me of a Pokemon.
Does it?
Yeah.
They're really beautiful. Wow, these are looking beautiful, aren't they, guys? We mixed so many different colors. You also might have noticed that Charlie added a little more glue to his, and that's perfectly fine too, because then you can mix a little more of the white and the color. If you guys have glitter at home, you can also add a tiny little bit of glitter too to give it some extra pop. I think they're beautiful. You did a great job.
I need some more glue. It still looks.
Now that we're done with our creations, what we need to do is let it sit and dry for one whole day. When it's done drying, what we're going to do is very carefully peel them off and then put them on the window. We did this yesterday. We made a few other ones. Would you like to see them? We're going to show you. Here are a few of the ones that we made yesterday. They turned out pretty cool. Well, now we're going to go put them on the window. Let's go. Here you can see some of the ones we made that have already dried, and we put them up on the window. Aren't they beautiful? They're all different. I can't wait to see what you guys make at home.